Dear students, today we are going to continue exercise 1.2. Till now we have done the addition of the rational numbers. Also we have studied about some of the properties like commutative property and associative property. So we are going to do some more verifications, additive inverse and some word problems today. Question number 4. Verify that x plus y bracket close plus z equals to x plus bracket start y plus z. This is the associative property and we have to take the values. X is equal to minus 2 upon 5, y is equal to 6 upon 11, z is equal to minus 3 upon 2. So using these three values of x, y and z, we will solve the LHS is equal to RHS. We will try to find it. So first we will write the statement. X plus y plus z equals to x plus y plus z. The value of x is given minus 2 upon 5. The value of y is 6 upon 11 bracket close. The value of z is minus 3 upon 2. On the right hand side, value of x is again minus 2 upon 5, then plus y plus z means 6 upon 11 plus minus 3 upon 2 close. So first we have to solve the addition that is given inside the bracket using BODMAS rule. So the LCM of 5 and 11 is 55. 55 divided by 5 is 11. 11 2s are 22. Plus sign here. 55 divided by 11 is 5. 5 6s are 30. Plus minus 3 upon 2. And this inside the bracket. On the other side, we will just copy minus 2 upon 5 and the LCM of 11 and 2 gives you 22. 22 divided by 11 is 2. 2 6 are 12. Plus into minus is minus. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 11 3 is 33. Now 30 minus 22 gives you 8. So 8 upon 55. Plus into minus is minus. On the other hand side, this is minus 2 upon 5 plus, on subtracting 33 by 12 we get 21 of negative. So we'll write here minus 21 upon 22. Now the LCM of 55 and 2 is 110. 110 divided by 55 is 2. 2 it's a 16. 110 divided by 2 is 55. So 55 into 3. 3 5 is 15. 3 5 is 15 1 16. This is 165. On the other hand side, the LCM of 5 and 22 is again 110. So 110 divided by 5 is 22. So 22 2 is 44. Plus into minus gives you minus, and 110 divided by 22 is 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Now when we subtract this 15 minus 6 is 9. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 1 is here. Larger sign, a larger number has negative sign. And again, we are having the same sign here, so we'll add these two numbers. So 105 plus 44 gives you minus 149 upon 110. So this is LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Next question is, find the additive inverse of. Students, additive inverse means just reversing the sign of the given rational number. So for reversing the sign, we will multiply it by minus 1. So the answer is minus 2 upon 3. Again, we will multiply the next part, 5 upon minus 59 by minus 1. So this minus minus is cancelled. The answer is positive 5 upon 59. You can see that only the sign are changed. 2 upon 3 becomes minus 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 59 becomes 5 upon minus 59 becomes 5 upon 59. Okay, so this was the verification part. You have to solve the other parts of this verification. Do it first in your rough copy, only then you will do in fair copy. Okay, because LHS must be equal to RHS in the case of associative property. Next question is the word problem. Number 6. A milkman has 2 containers with capacities 25 and 1 upon 4 liter and 45 and 3 upon 4 liters. How many liters of milk can he store maximum? Means we have to find the total of these 2 liters. Okay, so we'll write here, he can store maximum 25 1 upon 4 plus 45 and 3 upon 4. Now 4 into 25 gives you 100, or 100 plus 1 gives you 101. You have to multiply this 4 by 25 and then plus 1. You get 101 upon 4. Again 45 4 is 180. 180 plus 3 gives you 183. Because the denominators are same, so the LCM will be same. And just you have to add the numbers that are given in the numerator. So adding this you get 284 upon 4. Now we can deduct it. 4 1 is 4, 4 7 is 28, 4 1 is 4. So the answer is 71 liters. That's it for today. Thank you.